Zulus appeared here. So as soon as the Zulus were appearing here, in form of the horns of the buffalo, leading the Zulu impis was a 74-year-old man by the name of Uchingwayo Kamaholekoza, who had led his men from the front all the way from Ulundi to Ingwebini Ravine, 75 miles. Ingwebini Ravine, where the Zulus were discovered, coming to Isandlwana here, you're looking at a distance of about 6 to 7 miles. When Uchingwayo Kamaholekoza arrived here, he stood on this big boulder here in front of us, and when he stood on his big boulder, realizing that his horns of the buffalo were now in position, he would raise his fist and he would shout, "Yeah, bay!" The warriors would respond, 25,000 of them. Husut, 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 Hebe Husutu means to arms, let's go and get them. And at some point he would shout, "Isita!" The Zulu warriors, all of them, 25,000, would respond, "Zippy, zippy, zippy." And I have absolutely no idea how that must have felt for the 1,800 British soldiers that were defending